Okay, for number 4, we notice that this is the square root right here rather than the cube root like we just did in number 1. So for when I'm going to do the square root, my parent function is going to be different. My parent function is 0, 0. When I take the square root of 1, I get 1. I have to go all the way over to 4 to get another whole number. The square root of 4 is 2. And there's one more that fits on this graph. The square root of 9 is 3. So these are the parent function points. Now remember, when I see this, when I have a number in front of x inside of the function, this is my A transformation, and this is my B transformation. But anytime I have an A transformation, I have to factor it out. So I'm going to have to factor the 9 out, and so I'm left with x plus 2. So 9 is my A, and my 2 is the B transformation. So that 9, it's on the inside, so it's horizontal, but it is a horizontal compression of 1/9. It's the opposite of what it looks like. And the B is going to be going left 2. So I'm going to take each of these points and I'm going to horizontally compress them and then go left 2. Well, with the vertex, that's really easy. If I horizontally compress it, it doesn't go anywhere. And if I go left 2, it puts me right here. When I horizontally compress this point, I don't change it vertically any, but I'm going to compress it horizontally. So instead of it being at 1, it's now going to be at 1/9, which is basically going to be right just to the right of the axis there. And then I'm going to go left 2. So this point is going to be just right about there. When I'm on this point, again, I'm not changing it vertically any, but I'm going to compress it horizontally by 1/9. So I'm going to compress it this way. I'm going to take 1/9 of what it currently is horizontally. Well, it's 4 right now, so 1/9 of 4 would be 4/9, which is really close to a half. It's just a little bit less than a half. So 4/9 is going to be about right here, and then I'm going to go left 2. So this point is going to be about right there. It kind of looks like it's right on a half. And then I'm going to have one more point that I'm going to compress and move to the left. So this point is on 9 horizontally, and if I compress it by 1/9, that's going to put me right on 1, exactly on 1. So this point goes to here with the compression, and then I'm going to go left 2, and it goes right here. And so the graph of this just looks like that. And you can see that it's been compressed horizontally. Vertically, my points are still at the same vertical points that they were at before, but it's been compressed horizontally.